Modi is continuing with his south outreach. In Kerala, he was in Palakkad, the home to world-famous Ramasire Idlis and infamous for the scorching heat. As the Prime Minister went about his roadshow, several people thronged to watch him. His second visit to Kerala in just a week, though the state does not have any elected MP or MLA. PM Modi said the last BJP candidate lost by 1.6 lakh votes in Palakkad in the last elections. But for the BJP, that was a big win. Talking of Modi guarantee and Kerala wanting the lotus to bloom.
मुंबई के शिवाजी पार्क में इंडी अलायंस ने खुलेआम घोषणा की है कि हिंदू धर्म की जिस शक्ति में आस्था होती है उन्हें इस शक्ति का विनाश करना है। हिंदू धर्म में शक्ति किसे कहते हैं ये तमिलनाडु का हर व्यक्ति जानता है। इन्होंने तमिल संस्कृति के प्रतीक पवित्र सेंगोल की संसद में स्थापना का विरोध किया। पवित्र सेंगोल यहां के मठों से जुड़ा हुआ है, इसलिए ये जानबूझकर उसका भी अपमान करते हैं।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's fifth visit to the state of Kerala is in the Palakkad district, and in fact you can see just around me people are coming in for the road show here, and this is, I'm exactly standing at Sultanpet, and people are coming here. The PM will present a road show here starting at 10 o'clock, and in fact this road show is 2 kilometers long. It is expected to end, the road show is supposed to end at 11 a.m. and in fact this is exactly Court Road, and he is going to meet people. This is going to be the fifth time PM is visiting Palakkad district, fifth time PM is visiting Kerala, and this time it is going to be the Palakkad constituency. In fact, BJP is definitely expecting a lot of win for this time from, Palakkad, because this is one of the most places which has a good number of vote share for the BJP party.
Now, ahead of the Lok Sabha elections, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding marathon poll rallies across southern states in an attempt to expand the BJP's footprint in the region. As part of this outreach measure, PM Modi in Tamil Nadu held a roadshow in Coimbatore yesterday, where school children were also part of the crowd. Now, the ruling DMK, along with CPIM, have complained to the poll panel, accusing the Prime Minister of violating the Model Code of Conduct. Shortly after DMK's charge, Coimbatore District Education Officer issued a stern warning to the school to take strict action against the headmaster and the staff who allowed students to attend this event. An inquiry has been initiated into this incident as well. The Election Commission of India, remember, clearly prohibits the use of children in any political campaign. My colleague Dharni is joining us with more on this. Dharni, this political war, of course, emerging ahead of the elections. Now the DMK accusing the Prime Minister of violating the Model Code of Conduct. What has the EC said, and has there been any response from the BJP state unit?
Well, yesterday Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a road show in Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu, and it is told that during the road show, school students, from Coimbatore, from several schools, they were made to participate in this road show, in their school uniforms. They had come to the rally and the road show of the Prime Minister in their school uniforms itself, and now this has become an issue because the CPI, the state unit of the Communist Party of India has officially launched a complaint with Tamil Nadu Election Commissioner Satyaprada Sagu. CPI's State Chief Muttarasan had met Satyaprada Sagu today, and he has given a complaint letter officially stating that making school students participate in a political rally or a road show is against the model code of conduct, and that the Prime Minister himself, being the chairperson of the country, like being the next to the president, he is someone who is the head of the country after the president. So he himself is violating the model code of conduct, and this is something that is not completely acceptable, is what the CPI has told in their complaint letter to Tamil Nadu Election Commissioner. And meanwhile, the Coimbatore district education officer has also issued a notice to one of the private schools in the district. So in the notice, the district education officer has told the school management to take a stringent action against the principal and the staff who accompanied their school children to the PM's road show, because of course students cannot be made to participate in political rallies, road shows, or public meetings. That is a norm, and making children participate in these kind of events is against the model code of conduct. So the Coimbatore district education officer has also taken notice of what has happened in the district yesterday, and a notice has been issued to one of the private schools along with several other government schools.
Okay, Dharani, thank you very much for joining us and helping us understand what exactly has happened there in this controversy that has emerged in the state. Moving on.